I'm going to be discussing Jordan Harris's performance throughout the 6-week programme. One of Jordan's strengths was his strength. This is because he's trained by playing football. He plays football 5 times a week, which means that his strength would improve each time he's training and playing. He showed this by, on the first week, being able to do the bicep curls easily and having a good technique whilst doing it. Another one of Jordan's strengths was his speed. He showed this by getting a very fast time when doing the exercises, like the hill sprints and the shuttle runs. This is due to him playing futsal and playing football. When he trains, he's recruiting more type 2A muscle fibres, which means that his speed increases. He also has good speed because when he trains, he has to move quickly to try and get the ball, which means his speed increases. Another one of Jordan's strengths was his cardiovascular endurance. He showed this by not getting tired too easily and being able to work for a long amount of time. This is due to him recently training to do a half marathon and playing football lots and training and playing matches, which means that his fitness increases as he's running around and his heart is getting used to the strain, which it needs to withheld when he's doing the exercises. One of Jordan's weaknesses is his flexibility. This is due to him not training his flexibility as he didn't feel that it was important, but as he's realised and he's done the programme, he realises that flexibility in the muscles is very important so that he doesn't get injured. I advised him that he should do yoga 3 times a week to improve the general flexibility in his muscles, which would help him and make it easier for him when he's training. Another one of Jordan's weaknesses when doing the programme was his technique when sprinting. He's never exactly learnt how to sprint like a real athlete. Once I showed him this, he then got a good technique. Although he did need to work on his footwork quite a lot, I advised that he did SAQ 3 times a week to work on his footwork, so when he's sprinting he has the best technique to give him the best speed and to give him an advantage over his opponents when he's playing in matches. The last of John's weaknesses was his balance. When sprinting, balance is very important, so you stay upright so you get the best speed. A reason for him not having the best balance was because he's never had access to a gym, so he can't practice it, or he's never known the correct exercises to do to work on his balance. Once I advised him to do squats on a balance beam, 3 sets of 12 reps, 3 times a week. His balance soon improved over a training programme. Jordan's general performance throughout the training programme was very good. He focused on what he needed to improve on and he listened very well. His feedback was that he enjoyed the training programme and his speed started off as a very quick time, but once we improved his technique and his balance, his speed then increased and he was able to do the exercises like the hill sprints and the SAQ a lot quicker because he had the better technique. His strength also increased as, although his technique was good, we got him using a technique which would help him improve his muscle mass. This then meant that he bulked up more and he could do a higher resistance when doing the weights.